Check this out, the coconut trees and their waves so bad. Everybody cleaning so fast. So bad weather. Yo, what's up? How you doing?
I hope that you are doing well and always in the good shape.
Always have to smile to the world, no matter what. However, there it's gonna be a big rain soon. Hopefully not. So today we are in Batu Belig.
We are in Ilido. We will have a pizza, Damian's favorite.
Yeah, if you don't know, Batu Belig is the area between Seminyak and Canggu.
Yeah. So actually that's the border in the middle between Seminyak, and then you pass the Batu Belig and then will be Canggu.
Exactly. So it's like a borderline area.
Normally this area actually that many people, lots of people. But today we see like
not so.
But as Damian told you in the front, the wave today is very big and high tide, and then you know that the weather it's cloudy. I think that in 1 hour maybe it's gonna be a big wave.
Yeah, but hopefully now we're gonna show you quickly area how it looks about Batu Belig, and then we will show you our food. Thank you so much, my friend. Cheers, honey.
All right, so we are now in Batu Belig Street. This is how the situation right now in the afternoon. So we plan to watch sunset actually in Batu Belig. Yeah. So some restaurants are open. And this one, oh, this is the new restaurant actually, Manhattan Pizza. That's the brand new restaurant. And then this one, Pink Nails. I know that for most of the ladies like it. And this is the Flame Spa and Massage. It's open. It's open.
That's the Nuru massage.
And then this is a Paragon Hotel Seminyak. I think it's open. Yeah.
Strawberry fields.
Yes, so this is Strawberry Fields. Oh, it's open actually. And yeah, this Batu Belig area also famous for the villas. Look at the massage ladies waiting for you. But when they watch me, I'm showing the camera, and then see they are just shy. All right. Yeah, Batu Belig is famous. This is Adam's apple massage for the boys, for the guys. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, some here in Batu Belig area also, you know, there are many famous restaurants here. Like we already passed before. Oh, here Watercress restaurant, it's open. And then this one Warung Sobat, local restaurant, very nice. And yeah, many also shop, boutiques. And this one on the left is Hog Wild, unfortunately closed. And also tattoo shop. Yeah, money changer, clothes. Yeah. So now there is a new beer actually in Bali. It's called Kura Kura beer. And this one on the right side is a brand new hotel It's called the Love Hotel Seminyak. But we will head to Batu Belig Beach. Yeah. Let's see how it is. Yeah. Right in the corner there is a pos terpadu pemantauan COVID, so it means no mask, no entry. Wow. So we already arrived in Batu Belig area. On the left, I think on the left the hotels is closed. So this is how the beach. Yeah, so in this Batu Belig area, like I told you, there are some famous restaurant, which is 707 Beachburg, and then the famous, yeah, this one is 707 Beachburg. Busy, quite busy, but yeah. So this one is illegal. Go further. I want to show the Tropicola. Yeah, this one on the left is Tropicola. The famous Tropicola bar restaurant is unfortunately closed. This is how the situation in Pantai Batu Belig. Alright.
And at the front, W.
That's the W Seminyak.
W Seminyak is over there.
Alright. Now let's have a dinner in Ilido because I saw that they have a promotion. Let's go. This is how it is. Alright, here it is.
But before we gonna go home, we decide to have a walk. Winnie still finishing her radler. Yeah, it's very windy, but it's very beautiful like always. We are heading into W Seminyak area, and we will show you how it's look. The beaches even here is very clean, I have to say. Check
much
this
cleaner
out.
than Legian.
Yeah, definitely. So that's how it look like.
Like you see that what is it? The sand actually is not very pure black, but it's mixed between black and white sand. So this is like this and softer. So cool.
Very nice. Actually very nice. Really just little rubbish to compare to the Legian that you saw when I had the bintang yesterday after garlic lanes. So it's very big difference, and the waves are so huge today. Really big. Hi, sayang. Enjoy the sound of the ocean a little bit. I hope so the sound is good enough. As you can see, it's gonna be really huge rain very soon. Oh dear. Show you a little bit of the warung here, the restaurant. Ooh, I have to hold my hat. Okay, we're gonna relocate due to the very hard, strong wind. Oh, here will be much better. Alright, the situation is like this. It's really windy. I don't know what's gonna be. However, our pizza arrived. Beautiful. Bincang. Cheers, honey. Smacznego, sayang.
Dziękuję, cheers.
Alright. It's gonna be a big rain over there. It's already starting to be rainy. Oh dear. Woo. Look at the ocean. Everybody go home, but we just arrived. Cheers. Oh, I just gonna quickly go to show you the weather. It's already going to be rain. Check this out, the coconut trees and their waves so bad. Everybody cleaning so fast. So bad weather. Oh. And we just started making a vlog today, so enjoy, guys. Oh my god, it's really big rain. Ah. Oh dear. So we move one more time just to fight in the corner. It's very windy. Winnie already feel cold. Check this out. And the situation over there. Everybody just clean each other and run away to home. We have quite far to go home, by the way. Oh my god, it's very bad weather. It's storm. I normally could make this vlog title eating pizza in the storm, but this is about Batu Belig. We have to go really quickly home because it's very rainy.
Big wind.
See you tomorrow like always.
We will not fly after this. Alright, thank you for watching us today. Thank you for watching.
And see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Bye.
Where can we go? Quick.